Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll trade using technical analysis, and to help with technical analysis we are going to use alligator indicator. This indicator will help us determine pivot points, also to predict the further price movement. And when we will use this indicator we will pay attention on support and resistance levels and of course the overall trading situation. And don't forget that only a competent combination of technical analysis and the indicator itself will give us a good result. Be sure to watch this video till the end. Today we'll find working situations on the market and try to make profit on them. So guys, let's get started and find the first entry point. Here we see that at the moment the price is moving up. Also, after the rollback, an impulsive green candle is formed on the chart. At the same time, the moving averages also intersect and they get further from each other. In such a situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future. It is in this situation that we have opened a deal on a continuation of the uptrend. We also took 2 minutes to spare because the price may fall into the correction zone or there will be a pull back down. As you can see, the price has continued to move up and we made a profit, guys. Let's continue and try to find some more working situations in the market. Here we see that at the moment there is a good confident uptrend. Earlier, the price made a strong upward movement and then it continued to move steadily upward. We also see that the moving average has been moving in a parallel for a long time and they are moving further apart from each other. Therefore, in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up following the uptrend. I think that in this situation, it is more likely that the price will continue to move up. We also take 2 minutes with the margin, take into account the possible pro trade. I hope that this time it will be enough and we'll be able to earn on this uptrend. So the deal closed quite well. As you can see, despite the pro trading in the flat, the deal closed above the entry point. I have just made money on an uptrend. So guys, let's continue. Here we see that the scenario of the previous deal can be worked out again. Since the moving of indicator continued to move at the same distance as before, the price is still moving in an uptrend. At the same time, we also didn't see good growth in the last deal. In this situation, we will open a deal again to go up. Because the price here has also had an excellent growth potential lately, I hope that 3 minutes will be enough in this situation. So guys, let's wait for the result. As you can see, the price confidently continued to move up and we made a profit here. The indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a good entry point. So far, everything is going well, guys. So let's continue and consider another situation on the market. So here we see that the price has been steadily moving down lately. We also see that the price has made 2 upward pullbacks in turn and continue to move in a downtrend. Also, at the same time, the moving indicators again get further from each other. Let's try to open a deal for 3 minutes, guys. The price is more likely to continue moving downwards. 3 minutes should be enough for us to make such a move. So guys, let's wait for the result. Look at this, guys. There was some pro trading on the sideways and then the price continued to move down and we made a profit. The indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue and find another situation. Here the price was moving in a good confident downtrend. At the same time, we can see that the chart has been sideways lately. This is also indicated by the moving indicators. They move chaotically and often intersect with each other. In general, the price still has the potential to go down. At the same time, the moving averages are getting further from each other more strongly at the moment. So let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, because confident red candles are also forming right now, and the chart goes below the previous price lows. As you can see, the price really continued to move in a downtrend, guys. We also see that there has been a reaction from the new low. The price has turned around and is moving up. But just in this situation, 2 minutes was perfect for us. We made a profit here. Here we see that the price is moving on an uptrend. At the same time, the chart is trying to continue growing from the last price low. But then it rolls back down. Also, the moving indicators are directed downwards and move further apart from each other. In this situation, let's try to make money on price correction, since there is still space for price movement before the previous price lows. I hope that we will have time to work on this rollback. As you can see, the price shows a decrease to the level of the previous minimum, and the reaction immediately followed from there. A green candle began to grow. A minute for this deal was just enough for us to close the deal with the profit, guys. So we earned on this deal. As we can see further here, the price continues to go down. The moving averages get further from each other even more. That is, the price still has the potential to go down. We also see that we have a level of support here. Just at the moment, the price is already starting to go beyond it. So guys, let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that this level will be broken in the near future and the price will continue to move down. I hope that I will have time to work on this downward movement. So guys, let's wait for the end of the deal. As you can see, this level has been broken through. Then the price made a test and then confidently went lower. Here, guys, we got a really good profit. I just got into an impulsive downward price movement at the very breaking of the level. Let's continue and consider the following situation. Here we see that the price has been in a good downtrend for a long time. Then there was a fairly strong pullback up. At the moment, the price continues to go down. We also see that the overall price potential is going down, and therefore we will open a deal down here. We also see a confirmation from our indicator. The moving averages intersect. Again, the price is more likely to continue moving on a downtrend, and we will see its further decline. So guys, let's wait for the result. As you can see, the prices continue to move down and we are making profit here. And in this situation, 1 minute was perfect for us. Meanwhile, guys, I already have $4,000 on my deposit, and I suggest that the next deal will be the last for our trading session today. Here, as we can see, it turns out to be a continuation of the situation from the previous deal. The price showed a decrease until some point, then it rolled back up and the price goes down again. Just at the moment, an impulse red candle appears, and let's immediately open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, since the moving average has crossed on the indicator as well. And we also remember from the last deal that the general trend in the market was going on a downtrend. Therefore, I think it is more likely that the price will continue to move in it, and I take 2 minutes with the margin. Perhaps the price may fall in the correction zone, or it will be an upward pullback. So let's wait for the result. As you can see, guys, the price meets a certain level from which a reaction immediately followed. The chart started to go up, but we managed to close below our entry point, and of course, guys, we made a profit on this deal. So I have just earned on the continuation of the trend. Indicator told us a very good entry point. So guys, I think Everything worked out great for me today. That's it for today, guys. As you could see, all the market situations worked out perfectly for us today. This strategy with right approach and certain knowledge can give you great result. I hope that you learn new information today on our trading session. Also try to look for similar situations on the market and work on them. Trade and train as much as possible and everything will work out for you. Guys, don't forget that I have a closed community where I share trading signals for free. If you want to join this amazing closed community, super easy, text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link and all the information will be down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.